In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit in Expert option. Now, the first thing you have to do here to actually deposit, go to the Finances tab on the left-hand side and then click on Deposit at the bottom left over here. After you do that here, you have to select your deposit method. So, of course, depending on your country, you'll be able to see different methods over here. Select the one you want to use. For me, I'm going to go with the card over here. But, of course, you can do an instant ETF or EFT. You could do crypto, Binance Space, Krill, or whatever. Okay, of course, all of these are going to be a bit different, so just make sure you actually choose the one you want. And then I'm going to click on this one, for example, and I'm going to change my currency into USD. And you can see different options you have up here. Some of them also have different deposit bonuses, so depending on your account, you may actually have some bonuses on here as well. And let's say I'm going to do this one with a 20% bonus. And down here, if you have a promo code, you can type it in here, click on apply. I don't have one right now. And if you actually want your deposit bonus, you can activate it down here or deactivate it if you don't want to use it, okay? Of course, you have to read these terms before that if you actually want to use the bonus. Now, whenever you do that, you can then go ahead and agree to terms and conditions. And if you actually do agree with them, click and proceed to the payment method. So click on pay over here. And then you can basically just proceed to payment if everything looks cool here. It's going to take you to a separate page where you can then put in your card number and add the funds, and they're going to be available on your account shortly, okay? Of course, if you chose any other method, it's going to vary a bit. So for example, if I select, let's say, crypto over here, and if I try to pay, then you'll be able to get your address over here, and you'll be able to send it over to your address, and it's going to differ a bit whichever method you use, but all of them are pretty much self-explanatory. You'll be able to see what to do whenever you go to the next step. So that's how you deposit in Expert option. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.